Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Xbox One tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the email address associated with your Xbox account. To get started, simply go to xbox.com in the browser on your phone or your computer. And check the description because I'll have all the links I discuss as well as a detailed write-up down there. Once you get to xbox.com, go ahead and sign into your account, and this will sign you into your Microsoft account, which is the same thing as your Xbox account. So now all we need to do is go up into the right corner and select our profile image. This will open up a new menu. In here, select My Microsoft Account. This will bring you to your Microsoft account page, and all we need to do is go up in the top left and select More Actions, and then in here, select Edit Profile. This will bring you to your information within your Microsoft account. What we need to do is find our email address, and then to the right of that, you'll see Manage How You Sign into Microsoft. Select that. To change the email address for your Microsoft account, you have a couple options. First, you can add an additional email address. And keep in mind, if you add an email address to your account, you can also use that email address to sign into your Xbox account. So you can simply just add an email address, or you can add an email address and then remove the old email address that was associated with your account. So I'll go ahead and do that real quick. So I'm going to add one. I also have the option to create a brand new email account. So now that I have two email addresses associated with my account, I can either first remove the old email address, or I can make my new email address the primary email address on my Xbox account by just selecting Make Primary. All right, so that's how you change the email address associated with your Xbox account. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Xbox One tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.